Welcome to ReWiser. So in this video, we will be learning about sentences with participles. A verb has two types of participles. Present participle, which is formed by adding ing to the verb. Okay, for example, eat becomes eating, know becomes knowing, walk becomes walking. And the other type is past participle, which is formed by adding ed, n or en to the verb. Now that's not all, because there are various different types of past participles as well. So if ever we get confused about a past participle of a particular verb, then it's advisable to use either has or have or had with the verb. So for example, if I have to find out the past participle of eat, then how will I use eat with has, have or had? I have eaten my food. So eaten becomes my past participle. Know. So I have known him. So therefore known becomes my past participle. For walk, I would say I have walked a mile today. Therefore walked is my past participle. So for eat, it's eaten. Know, it's known. For walk, it's walked. These are the other words, basically verbs, which have a present participle and a past participle. So I've given this for your reference. For example, choose becomes chosen. So I have chosen. Come, I have come to the party tonight. Draw, I have drawn a beautiful picture. I have fought with my friend. I have forgotten to do my homework. So when you use these verbs with have or has or had, you get the correct past participle. Okay, so we can just go through this list by pausing the video if you want to. Now, understanding participial phrases. A participial phrase begins with a participle. And can be in either present or past. They simply act as additional description for the noun or pronoun. Okay. Now, using present participle, representing a Roman liberty goddess. Representing is the present participle for represent. The verb is represent. The present participle is representing. Representing a Roman liberty goddess, the Statue of Liberty was a gift from people of France to the people of the United States. So representing a Roman liberty goddess is a participial phrase. Okay. Having represented a Roman liberty goddess, again that's a participial phrase. Basically a past participial phrase, because it has represented, which is past participle for represent. Please note that participial phrases cannot stand alone as sentences. Representing a Roman liberty goddess or having represented a Roman liberty goddess are both fragments. Okay, so that's all in participles and participial phrases. I hope this was clear to all of you. Thank you.